Alright guys, the brand new Infinix GT30 is here, and for the price of just RM1099, this is actually a very affordable gaming phone. Now you're not just getting the device itself, you're also going to get the GT gaming kit that actually comprises of this cooler as well as a Mac case, so it just attaches magnetically. Make sense? Alright, so Infinix is saying that this device here is actually so good and it comes with a ton of features that will make you sort of like a gaming master. So why not let's just jump into the video right away and find out what Infinix has done to the GT30 to actually make it even smoother, faster and more fun. Let's check it out. Now first things first, let's take a look at the gaming features because this is actually a gaming oriented device. So we actually have a GT shoulder triggers on here, and it's actually the only phone in this segment with dual capacitive triggers. It's super sensitive, so just a slight tap on it will register immediately, and you can actually map it to any kind of custom shortcuts which the phone will recognize which game has which shortcuts, and it will launch it right away as soon as you start that game. Whenever you launch MLBB, your preset for MLBB will launch up, and whenever you launch COD Mobile, that preset for that game will show up. You don't have to change the shortcuts within the game. Super convenient. Now the device itself is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 5G chipset. The phone itself also comes with that 3D vapor cloud cooling. This chipset offers the best in-segment performance, and it actually achieves an Antutu score of more than 750K and pretty strong Geekbench scores as well. Again, at this price point to keep everything smooth and lag-free. Moving over to the front, this is where you actually find yourself a 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED gaming display. Now not only is it high resolution, but the high refresh rate also gives you good picture quality and smoothness whenever you are gaming. Now since we're talking about high frame rates and all that, the Infinix GT30 is actually certified for high frame rate support of up to 120 FPS for about 10 games. It's also worth mentioning that the touch sampling rate on here is 2160Hz, so everything will be very smooth. But there's also Infinix X Boost AI that actually helps to optimize your touch response to be even more precise across different screen zones. Just in case you're wondering about eye comfort, there's also PWM dimming on board, and it's actually certified by TUV Rhineland for low blue light. Finally, of course, we got to talk a bit about that gaming design. So what we have on here is actually called the GT Esports Totem Plus mechanical lightweights, and you can see that the lights at the back here is actually very interesting. There's a couple of combos that you can have. So all in all, just from the gaming side of things, you're pretty much covered with the Infinix GT30. Now other than those gaming features, obviously you're not going to be gaming throughout the entire day, and you're going to be wondering, how does it perform as a day-to-day device? Well, for this, the chipset and display itself are both strong enough to give you smooth multitasking, streaming as well as browsing. And I also found the signal strength on this device to be particularly strong, and that may be attributed to the Super Wi-Fi 2.0 as well as the 12 antenna layout. Now I know the buzzword today is all about AI, and if you're wondering about AI features, the Infinix GT30 does have a couple of them as well. Now I'll just go through a couple of my favorite ones on here. So for instance, there's AI that helps you to summarize or rewrite your sentences. You can also use AI to help you generate art from sketches, generate beautiful wallpapers for your home screens and lock screens, and so much more. So those are just a couple of AI features, but there's quite a fair bit on there that's actually quite useful. Now moving on, the device itself do come with a fairly large battery, 5500 mAh, that's enough to take you through an entire day, and it does support that 45-watt fast charge as well. Finally, just a very quick note here, in case you're wondering about those triggers, they're not just for using in-game. You can actually map it to a couple of shortcuts, say for instance, use it as your shutter button, or maybe use it to control your media. So it's not just about gaming, guys. You can also use this phone on a daily basis. Speaking about that camera, we do have a 64MP unit on here that's good enough to take some day-to-day shots. What I like here is that you have a couple of options when it comes to the filters, and you can actually produce some pretty nice photos. Take a look at these shots and let me know what you think. So at the end of the day, for just RM1099, including the gaming kit, you're actually getting a lot of features for your money. If you're looking for an affordable gaming experience, you want to be the gaming master, you want to have all these GT shoulders and all that, and maybe you want this really cool design on your phone, you might want to check out the Infinix GT30. If you want to find out more about the Infinix GT30, I'll put in some links down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.